so slow. Hello, I'm Levine, and in today's video I'll be showing you 10 steps to make your PC thunder fast. For the first part, you want to press Windows and R and write msconfig. And you just want to click OK, and then at this point you want to go to Boot tab. And then click Advanced Options. Then click on Number of Processors and then just click on the highest number possible. Click OK. And then just go to the Services tab. You just want to click on Hide All Microsoft Services and uncheck the applications that you use less than other. I personally suggest you just to uncheck the third-party applications with update services. After that, click Apply and OK. For the second method, you want to repeat pressing Windows and R and just write temp. Do not worry at all, this folder is Windows 10 temporary files and will not affect your experience with Windows. Just simply drag them all and delete them. Then, as an additional step, you want to repeat that, Windows and R, and just write %sign temp %sign, and click OK. And you need to repeat the previous part, and do not worry, nothing bad will happen to your PC. You can click skip for the files that are not getting deleted. For the third part, you need repeat pressing Windows and R and just write prefetch. Prefetch is exactly like the previous folders and completely safe to delete. For the fourth step, you need to go to Settings and then just type Storage. Press Enter, and then after that click on Storage Settings. At this point you want to click on Optimize Drives, and on your main drive that you have Windows installed in, just simply press Optimize. It might take some time to optimize your drive, but believe me, it is going to affect so much. After that you just simply want to press Close and you're good to go for the next part. As for the fifth part, you want to click My PC and then right click Properties, and on the left toolbar just click on Advanced System Settings, and you want to go to Advanced tab and click Performance. Here you will see some visual effect preferences that you make sure you just want to have exactly like mine, as you will have a balanced settings between appearance and performance at the same time. After you have made sure you checked all the right icons, you want to press OK and then OK again, and then close all the tabs. Okay, let's head into the sixth part. At this point, just right click on Windows toolbar and then Task Manager. After you've opened that, just go to Startup tab and then just simply disable all the unnecessary applications when Windows boots up. In my case, I don't personally need Logitech G Hub to start when I boot up the Windows, so I'm just going to proceed and right click and click Disable. But you might have even more applications that you want to disable when Windows starts up. After you adjust all the unnecessary apps, you just want to close the window and go to My PC, right click on your main drive, and then go to Properties and click on DiskCleanUp. After that, another prompt will pop up and you may want to click all the icons, maybe except Recycle Bin. After checking all the right icons, you want to press OK and click Delete Files. And it is also not supposed to spend so much time and should be done within seconds. After it finished, just close the tab and let's go for the next part. As for the next part, you want to simply go to Settings and type Notifications and press Enter. Notification Privacy Settings. Click Change and then Disable, as it consumes so much of your CPU juice. After that, you want to type Notifications again and click on Turn App Notifications On or Off, and then turn it completely off. Here your PC goes up to the sky. Just kidding, but all your steps hops for sure. Okay, jokes aside, let's go for the next part. As for the next part, you want to go to Settings again, and then click on the search icon. Go to Searching Windows, and make sure the Find My Files method is on the classic method, not the enhanced, as it uses so much of CPU. As simple and as easy peasy as it is, just close the tab then. And for the final step, last but not least, you want to go to My PC and then Uninstall Applications. You just want to get rid of all the applications that you are not using to free up space. In my case, Bandicam is one of them, so I'm just going to move on and simply uninstall it. This way, you free up space for your PC and let it breathe and maintain a healthy life. I just want to take a moment and appreciate you guys that stayed with us, and honestly, thank you guys for being this much awesome. I would appreciate if you can like this video and subscribe to my channel for better quality and upcoming videos.